Jared Mingus ready to rock and roll. Here he comes. Gonna do a little showboat. Come on, how about it, fans? Make some noise for him as he comes down in front. Jared Mingus wants to know you want to see the bounty hunter fly high. Get on your feet, Barnstable County. One of the hardest charging trucks in the world today. And I mean the world. This truck's been everywhere. Exported to 15 different countries. Jared Mingus ready to rock and roll. No stranger to south of border Mexico. Let him hear it, ladies and gentlemen. Mingus ready to make it happen.
I didn't park there. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a big round of applause. Iron Outlaw, Bounty Hunter, the Illuminator, your monster trucks here tonight. Make some noise. Ladies and gentlemen, now is the time. We need you to step up to the plate. We need your help to determine a freestyle winner. How many people think you're a freestyle winner?